In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs write what you say. We'll use the Google Docs mobile app and your phone's built-in voice dictation so your words appear in the document as you speak. This is great for taking notes on the go, capturing ideas quickly, or writing hands-free. Start by opening the Google Docs app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your recent files. It helps to have a stable internet connection, though most phones can still record and transcribe short passages even if reception dips. If you're new to the app, make sure you're signed in so your changes save to the cloud. Next, open the document you want to work on. Tap the file from your list to load it. If you're continuing an existing draft, scroll to the spot where you want to add text. Place the cursor where your dictation should begin so the words land exactly where you need them. Now switch the file into editing mode. Look for the blue pencil icon in the bottom right corner and tap it. You'll know you're ready to type when the editing toolbar appears and the on-screen keyboard can pop up. With the document in edit mode, bring up your keyboard by tapping inside the page. On your keyboard, find the microphone icon. Its location varies by device and keyboard, but it's usually on or near the keyboard toolbar or right beside the spacebar. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, go ahead and confirm so your phone can hear you. For best results, speak in a quiet space and keep the phone's microphone unobstructed. Begin speaking clearly at a natural pace, and you should see your words appear instantly in the document. Say your thoughts in complete sentences, then pause briefly to let the transcription catch up. Many keyboards understand simple punctuation commands, so you can say things like comma, period, or new line to keep your text tidy. If something comes out wrong, stop dictation, make a quick manual edit, and continue. If you don't see text appearing, double-check that you're in editing mode, that the cursor is placed in the document, and that the microphone is still active. If the mic icon is missing, your keyboard may need dictation enabled in its settings, or you can switch to a keyboard that supports voice typing. Also, make sure your keyboard language matches the language you're speaking for the best accuracy. That's all it takes. Open Docs, enter edit mode, tap the mic on your keyboard, and speak while your document writes it down.